Hey everyone, Vince here. Now, we're back on the big bad Puppytown. Guys, if you don't know, Puppytown is the latest and greatest scam going around on the Play Store as we speak. They promise you money, that's right, real life money to merge dogs together. Can you believe this, everyone? And the fact is that you guys keep asking me to get on this app, okay? So due to popular demand, we're back here on Puppytown, trying to earn that real life cash, that big PayPal money. Let's see if we can boost our finances today, alright? Thank you so much for tuning in, by the way. You guys have been absolutely amazing. I've just posted my first full-length, movie video on the channel, the Scam Patrol video, everyone, of the Hyper Plinko series. Dude, if you have time, check it out. It is an incredible ride of me destroying Plinko games and how much of a scam they are, okay? Now, we're back here on Puppytown. The thing is, everyone, you all want to know, how is this a scam? Why is Puppytown a scam, alright? I've had so many people say they feel heartbroken because they really thought this app was legitimate. Well, everyone, you read the reviews of real-life people, not paid bots, and throughout this whole video, you're going to be seeing real-life reviews of the app, okay? It's a scam. They never, ever will pay you real-life money, okay? Developers of Puppytown are actually very smart. They've managed to mix the whole premise of real-life money and merging dogs. It's actually a really good idea. And the thing is, they also give you the whole trick, a free raffle, everyone. Oh, yeah, you're going to win a MacBook Pro, bro. No, you're not. You're not going to win anything. You're never going to win anything. I'm telling you now. The app is designed for you to watch advertisements. That is it. These apps are literally built on the premise of getting the player, which is you, to watch as many advertisements as you possibly can. Now, I can't be bothered actually merging all my dogs together right now, okay? So I'm actually going to do an auto merge. The problem is I have to watch an ad. So let me just watch this ad. I'm just going to put this... Actually, no, there's no sound anyway. There's no sound on this app, on the ad. So, yeah, it just shows you how much they really care. What is this ad for, I wonder? Plinko Master. That's another scam. Dude, all the Plinko apps are the biggest joke. Guys, please, promise me. If you're watching this right now, you're watching all the way up to this point, promise me you will stay away from these apps. They are the biggest jokes and scams, okay? I literally did an hour-and-a-half movie-length video on it. It's a joke. Seriously, everyone. I mean... What do you do? What do you do when you're getting bombarded by these terrible ads? Like, apparently right now on Puppytown, I just won $1.05. So, there, that's auto merge, by the way. My highest dog is 11. So I have a level 11 dog right now. I have $8 million cash. I'm just spamming my cash right now. Got the auto merge cranking as well. And now I'm down to 1.4 million. So there goes all my cash. That's it. I have no more money pretty much. I can't buy any other dogs really. So that's fantastic, everyone. Now we're back to having $0 cash. So... thank you very much for that app. I really do appreciate that. Seriously, dude. But yeah. Someone needs to really... Google, not someone. Google needs to come in and regulate these scam apps that promise real-life money. It's just an absolute joke, everyone. It breaks my heart that so many people are getting scammed. Guys, they promise you that you'll get real-life money. I have $24 in PayPal cash, right? I have to still try and get $100 here. It's just the ultimate grind. It's just the ultimate grind. I'm going to try, as long as you guys keep watching, I'll keep posting this on my channel until we get to that point where we get 100 PayPal dollars. Because I'm that confident we're never, ever going to see that money, bro. Ever. It's sad to me. I really hope that these videos have helped you guys out there. I've actually had some people comment and say, you know, you're not actually spending money on an app, so it's not really a scam. And I'm that confident, right, that these people are actually the developers of the apps. Because there's only 1 out of 100 people that say this, okay? Or they say, no, this app's legit. I just cashed out $200. Dude, instantly, as soon as I see someone telling me that these apps are legit, I just know straight away they're either affiliated with the app developer or they are the app developer themselves. Now, I need to start, and I need to do this, guys, for myself and the channel, okay? I need to start posting legitimate apps as well. I just need to go out there and find the legitimate apps. That's the big problem, okay? So sooner or later, I'm actually going to have to sit down and try and find some of these legitimate apps that do give you real-life money. I have to. It's just trying to find ones that aren't a scam, because right now, my channel is based around being a scam patrol. So I'm trying to help you guys out there. I'm trying to stop you all from getting scammed from these useless apps, okay? And Puppytown is a perfect example of a useless app. It needs to be taken out, everyone. It's terrible. I'm sorry, but it's not... This is just a scam. Like, look at this right now. I've still got the auto merge on. I just won $1, by the way, from getting a level 12 dog, which is nice. But yeah, right now, I have to keep clicking non-stop at the bottom of the screen. Could you imagine tapping this long to get a little puppy to show up on your screen, bro? Like, seriously? Either way, you have to go to the shop. What I can do is actually watch an ad to unlock the next level of the doggy, so I will do that now. Oh my god, look at this guy. I love these ads. I absolutely love these ads with some random muppet on the screen telling me how legit these apps are. Look, he's not even talking. Hello? Hello? Wake up. Look at him. Look at his face. Yeah, you just won $1,200 on Classic Plinko. Oh my god. There's another Plinko app. Dude, I think there's another Plinko app. No way. No way, no way, no way. Coin Plinko. It's not new. App, you lied to me. I thought it was Classic Plinko 2020. That's what I just said. This is the pathetic Coin Plinko. We all know about this one. Might actually give this one a try again soon, hey. Maybe. Maybe, everyone. Either way, let's get out of this pathetic ad. Alright, what have we got here? Was it Papillon? Papillon. There you go, Papillon. Hopefully I spelled that out right. Alright, let's keep spamming here. At the moment, I'm putting down level 2 dogs. That's great. That's great, app. That's what I want. I want to spam out level 2 dogs, bro. Seriously. I don't know what this is thinking. Now I'm going to have to watch another ad to do the auto merge anyway. This is where the app starts to get you with watching advertisements, everyone. So, the amount of money... Look, PayPal balance, $6,000. $6,800 from what? What? What's the app? I've got to see this app. It's going to give me $6,800. Spin Royale is going to give me that much money. Okay. I'll download it. I'm keen. Let's see the money. I want to see that cash coming, bro. Spin Royale. Let's try that next time. Some random lady jumping up and down, having a good time. It's crazy to me how these apps exist, guys, and how these ads can get away with this as well. Google needs to come in and regulate these apps. It's a joke. It's just a joke. Look at these people just reacting. Look at him. Who knows, dude? Who knows? Spin Royale. I can't wait to give this a try. Spin Royale. I'm keen, dude. Alright, here we go. So I've got the auto merging going on now, so I don't have to keep tapping all the time. Or merging. But I still need to keep tapping. That's great. Thank you very much, app. I appreciate that. Seriously, bro. What would you guys do if you were me right now? Would you just delete this app by now? Like, honestly. Tell me, guys. Would you just delete this app or what? Because it's getting to that point where it's just painful. Absolutely painful. What do I do? What should I do? Spawn a level 3 puppy. I got the achievements here as well. It's funny because the app actually does have achievements as well that give you the illusion that you're actually making progression. But in reality, what progression are you really making, everyone? It's just a joke. The app's a complete scam, and it makes me so mad. Either way, I'm going to keep tapping. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'm going to wrap it up here. Let me know what you think in the comments of Puppytown. Do you think it's a scam or not? I'd love to hear your opinion. You can't argue with real-life reviews, everyone. People are angry at the app developers for this. I'm telling you now, you cannot argue with the app reviews, bro. Either way, thanks for watching, everyone. Catch you on the next video. See you later.